You, woman, are a force of nature, a radiant sunbeam, soft moon glow. You are the fire of passion and the steadiness of earth, the pure inspiration of air and the emotional intelligence of the water. You are supported by the footsteps of the ancestors and the earth's undercurrent of gravity that holds you up as you are every day, believing in you. Lovable, beautiful, creative, sexy, wise, as you are. You were born to outshine the collapse of your mother and radiate the grace and glory of her lineage. You are wild and divine, a goddamn miracle. Your search is over today. Your search is over today, for today is the day you arrive in the arms of the goddess, your own embrace, your own love, awe, and acceptance of you if you choose. Looking in the mirror, I love you, sweet goddess. Be the mother you never had or always wish you had. Step back into the radiance of the goddess herself. Be her. Sing your praises as her. Soothe your tender heart. Cuddle into spirit and rest deeply now. Today, take a leap of faith and believe in yourself. Be seen, appreciated, and acknowledged by the world through your very own eyes and inner knowing. Stare into the sun and know your fullness. Stare into this dark night and understand something new about the creative offering you are to this earth and to all the people you live with. Close your eyes and behold the perfection and depth of all you are and all you have lived. This day is yours. Will you make it your day? Your day to shine, to let the light shine in, to accept everything about yourself, even the things that push and pull you back and forth in inner conflict, at the same time polishing you, making you whole and clear, seasoned with wisdom. This is your day. You are beautiful. This is your day to remember and claim your beauty, your sacred mission, your pleasure. What change can you make today to shine brighter, to shift the compromise and the settling, to live more fully as you? I want to know.